Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Do, 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 shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 bip, a bip, a do, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Good golly, gee willikers.
Why does Mr. Hannah get so much homework?
Hi guys, what's your problem? Mr. Hanazeski gave us so much homework and it's going to take forever to finish. Well, I don't have that problem. Why? Because I'm using the typewriter invented by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1867. What does that do? Well, this fine typewriter here is a mechanical machine for writing in characters similar to those produced by printers by means of keyboard-operated type, striking a ribbon to transfer ink or carbon impressions into paper. We should get one of those. Yeah!
Check it out, check it out, check it out. Step up in the party like my name was Mr. T.
Check it out. The Typewriter by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1867.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you, pretending you got a silver. You're not fooling me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back. And Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. That's a fact. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, here are you. You're ready and you're willing.
Gee dang it. My oh my.
Why does Mr. Hannah have to do so much dang homework again?
Hey guys.
Now we have to do this stinking essay on our typewriters. So.
Well shoot, I can do it on a laptop. Thanks to Mr. Christopher Latham Scholes, his invention led to the laptop, so it's much easier now.
Hey girl. Oh now. You know you got everybody looking. Got a little boom in my big truck. Gonna open up the doors and turn it up. Gonna stomp my boots in the Georgia mud. Gonna watch you make me fall in love. Get up on the hood of my daddy's tractor. Up on the toolbox, it don't matter. Down on the tailgate, girl, I can't wait to watch you do your thing. Shake it for the young bucks sitting in the honky tonks. For the rednecks rocking till the break of dawn. The DJ spinning that country song. Come on, come on, come on. Shake it for the birds, shake it for the bees. Shake it for the catfish swimming down deep in the creek. For the crickets and the critters and the squirrels. Shake it to the moon, shake it for me, girl. Oh, country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. You got your hands up, you're rocking in my truck. You got the radio on, you're singing every song. I'm set on cruise control, I'm slowly losing hold of everything I've got. You're looking so...
Yeah, we're going now. Blooper! Mr. Hannah Sexy gave us the laptop. Why isn't it on the table? It's gonna be a long day.